Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this JBonest compressed air duster with 3 speeds. It has a very powerful engine with up to 38,000 rounds per minute and a very large 6000 milliamps rechargeable battery, and comes with a ton of accessories. And of course there's always a good advice to turn everything off, all electronic devices, especially computers or so, before you're using it. But you can use it in a lot of different locations, like in a car, computer, to clean windows, or even inflate some things, or clean your keyboard or air conditioning, or filter these things. Of course also very useful for the filters of your vacuum cleaner. Here the impressive specs and how you can use, but I'm going to take it out of the box and show you everything how to use. By the way, the reason why I bought this is because this one is perfect to clean, because you can of course use other devices like a leaf blower or other crazy stuff, but this could be way too powerful, and I've damaged already a couple of items. So I'm finished with trying some things and I wanted to go straight to the right thing to clean some stuff. So here's everything what we get, nicely packaged. We get also this quick instructions manual. I hope it's focusing more or less. You can read the impressive specs and how to charge and how to use it. It comes even with this nice carry and transportation bag. And so here's the main device, and here we get all the accessories. You can see how many nozzles we get, and this is also very important. Again, don't use just anything to try to clean. It could be too much, or if it's too small, then it's not cleaning. So with this strong device and all the different nozzles, you can find the perfect one for you to clean. You get also this state-of-the-art USB-C charging cable, and of course we remove all the stickers here, and then we give it a full charge before we use it the first time. We can see the red light as long as it's charging, and as soon as we have the green light, it's fully charged. And to start we have to long press, and there's even some built-in child protection, so we really have to press until we see the numbers here, and then it goes automatically into first gear. You can see the charge 97%, so I didn't fully charge it, and with every push we can increase the speed. Now we are on 1, I push, we are on 2, I push again, and we are on 3, I push again, and then it goes back to 0, means standby. And if you want to really turn it off, you have to also long press, and then it will be turned off. So very convenient, very good, very safe, and definitely very, very powerful. And if you are working with sensitive parts, I highly recommend this included anti-static gloves. They have even some extra grip here inside, and I would say they fit almost for every size. I have usually close to large, and they still fit very nicely. They have a lot of openings, so you won't sweat. And to attach the nozzles is very easy. For example, we can use this one. This one here is even to inflate some stuff. So we just push it on top, and you can see it has a very safe hole, so you don't have to fear that it's just coming off. You can see that it's very powerful when I go to 3rd level here. But on the other hand, when you're using a nozzle, then it can be very quiet, especially on the 1st gear here. So you could actually work the whole day. You don't have to use earplugs or so. And I can tell you, cleaning such keyboards from time to time can be very important. You can see here with the color background illumination, everything is blue, but this one here has turned green. It's not damaged, it's just some dust inside, and it doesn't help when we just push it. We really have to grab and remove it, and so you can see all the nasty dirt here inside. That's definitely not helpful for a keyboard. And of course usually we would do that outside, but I wanted to show you that here. Lots of dirt. You can see that here. That's extreme. And so we see the blue light here. Let's push it down again and see what happens. and we have the blue light again. It's not green anymore, so you can definitely see that it fully works. It's definitely worth the investment. Really nice thing, so I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.